how to watch all live videos on TikTok. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. Before watching the live video, you need to make sure that you have logged into your account. For that, you can simply tap on your profile option in the right bottom corner. And here will be your login option. You have to simply enter your informations and you'll be logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you need to go back to your home page of TikTok, and at the left upper corner there is a live option. Simply tap on that, and from over here you'll be easily able to see the live of various persons that you want. You can scroll up and see all the live videos. So this is how you can watch all live videos in TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.